Welcome to Dr. Shell's Soul Food Cooking. It's Thanksgiving time, honey. And what better way to start off our series with some what? Turkey drums, honey. We're going to talk about 3 ways that you can make turkey drumsticks.
Dr. Shell's Soul Food Cooking. I got your soul food. I got your soul food. Dr. Shell's Soul.
So first of all, you guys, I have 4 nice-sized turkey drumsticks. They do come in bigger ones, you know what I'm saying? Mine are like small to medium, you know, good size for me. You do want to rinse them and wash them, and then you want a paper towel where you can dry them off. I need you to take it and dry them off, okay? Dry them off. And I don't care what they told you. This your grandmama talking now. Wash that meat, baby. Wash your meat, okay? Then sterilize with some Clorox and some dish soap in your sink, okay? To avoid cross-contamination, all right? So I've dried them off completely. Now the first one we're going to do, like I said, I have 4 of them. I'm going to put my gloves on. We're going to do mustard baked turkey drums, okay? Now, although I'm using turkey drumsticks, you can always use some turkey wings. You can use a whole turkey. You can also transfer this to chicken if you want to. For those who don't like turkey, think about it. You can use it for turkey wings as well. I mean chicken wings or chicken of some sort. So let's take this one. I like the way this one is looking. So I'm going to put these to the side right now, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take some yellow mustard. Yes, just a little bit. It's not going to taste like mustard if you got spicy. What this really is a binder, okay? So we're going to take this, and you're just going to use, you know what? I'm going to do 2 of these because I like the traditional, okay? You're going to take 2 of them, all right? And next, you're going to take some Lipton onion soup mix. You can also use like a savory herb. And we are going to marinate all this. We're going to rub it all in. So I'm going to put that over this. These are like traditional flavored ones, okay? Just like that, okay? Next. Now, I don't know if you've been listening on a tree or what, but if you ain't got some of Dr. Shell's Soul Food Seasoning, you need to get you some. Now, if you don't have any, you get you some all-purpose seasoning. And now, I just season to the ancestors tell me to stop, okay? Now, if you got a salt restriction, do you, boo? Do you? Okay? Also, some good old poultry seasoning. This is Thanksgiving. Now, I love this one because it's like a southern blend. It has a mixture of some of everything. It's by Badia. I don't know. Y'all know. Y'all tell me in the comments if I didn't pronounce it correctly. Okay? And I love me some garlic. Okay? I don't know about you guys, but I like me some garlic. So I'm going to put that on here as well. And I'm also going to add a little bit of fresh garlic. Now, if you want to add other fresh vegetables, bell peppers, all that kind of thing, by all means, you can do that, okay? Next, gloves on. We're going to massage this baby in, honey. Oh, and we need to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. That's what I meant to add. Just to kind of, there we go. And then you just massage this, honey, like you massage your man, baby. Don't mind me, girl. Don't mind me, honey. Massage it in. Yes. Rub it in, baby. Woo! It's already smelling good, honey, up in here. Up in here, up in here. And you know what? That is it for this. All seasoned up. I want you to take a little knife and just poke a little hole in it. Because we want these to get all the little flavor in there. Now, you can marinate these overnight or up to 2 hours prior to baking this. We're going to bake this on 350 degrees covered. Okay? Now I'm going to show you the next one. Next, we're going to do a jerk wing, baby. A jerk drumstick, honey. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. So You can get you some green seasoning. You can get this in the international aisle, any brand that you like. I don't always use this brand, but I like this particular one. Y'all see that? All right, it's already ready for me. So you want to pour that on, okay, as much as you like, okay? Some garlic pepper is next. And body, honey, y'all need to call me because Chef Shell love y'all. Because I think my whole cabinet got a whole lot of y'all on here. And you season to your liking. If you don't like a lot of garlic or a lot of pepper, don't worry about using it, okay? Y'all know Chef Shell's go on everything. Or whatever your favorite all-purpose seasoning is. And then you can't have jerk without the jerk seasoning. If you like a lot of spice, then you add a lot. If you don't like a whole lot, then you don't. All right, next, I'm going to add just a little bit extra virgin olive oil. And then, honey, get you some gloves or some very clean hands and begin to rub it all in. Once we rub it in, we're going to stick a few little holes in it as well. Now, at this point, if you don't have the green season, I want to encourage you, if you like to do bell peppers, onions, those types of things, you can also add that to this. Make it your own. I am using the green seasoning, which is really a blend of all of that. So next, you're going to take your, and you're just going to rub this all in, honey. Up under that skin if you like. Baby, it smells like the Caribbean up in the hill. Yumma, 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 yumma. It looks just like that. And make sure you put some holes in it. The holes just make it, get the flavor all in there to me. Last but not least, you guys, on a clean turkey drum, we're going to do an oven fried turkey leg. You also can do this with wings or chicken even, okay? So, first and foremost, what we're going to do is any injectable butter. You can purchase this at the store. You can also make your own. We're going to inject our turkey wing. And this is just for extra flavor. You can also do a whole turkey this way. Like I said, your chicken, wings. And you just find the fatty part. And honey, just get that all in there, honey. Just like so, yes. Next, we are going to, of course, use up Chef Shell's Soul Food Seasoning. If you haven't got yours, go to the website, dr.shellsoulfood.com. It's $10 plus shipping, okay? We're going to season that well. Next, some poultry season. Now, I believe in flavoring your food very well. Now, this is some seasoned flour, but baby, this is going to make you smack your mama right here. Don't do it, though, for real. Don't do it. But you could. Next, I'm going to put on a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on here. And just kind of rub it down in these seasonings. And let me show you guys how good this looks already, okay? Now for the oven fry part, I'm using Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour. And you're gonna batter this just like if you was frying chicken or anything else, okay? So I'm gonna just pour it on liberally. Make sure it's all that goodness, honey. We're getting it all on here. Just a little bit. Okay, and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to take my gloves off. And I'm going to spray this next, okay? You want to spray it. You can use Pam. I like to use olive oil cooking spray. You use whatever you want. Good old Sam's Club got me this. I'm going to turn this over. And I'm going to spray the other half side. Now, with the other ones, you cook them covered for on 350 for 1.5 to 2 hours, okay? With this, it will be uncovered for about 1.5 to 2 hours until it gets to your desired crispiness, okay? Listen, I hope you've enjoyed this section on Thanksgiving turkey drum ideas. Y'all let me know in the comments what you thought about it. And I tell you what, once they're done, you know I'm coming back and I'm going to show you how good and yummy they are. Chef Shell here. Honey, these turkey drums are done. Honey, this whole house is smelling like Thanksgiving, honey. Yes. So we have our jerk. Ooh, my Lord, look at that. Spicy, yum on, yum on, yum on. Yes. Then we have our traditional ones. Oh my goodness, baby. And then an oven fried turkey wing. Baby, let me plate this up for you. I'm just going to put them all on a plate together. Ooh, Lord. When I tell you, this is all right here. Ooh, honey. And let's go and put this fried one right there. What? Yes, honey, right these drums are looking great. Honey, we have our jerk, our traditional, and our fried turkey leg. Baby, this is some good eating, honey. Quick and easy Thanksgiving recipes just for you. Now, I'm more of a traditional one, so I'm going to try this traditional one, honey, because y'all know we got to dig in. I got to show you guys. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, you see the steam? It's already hot. It's tender. Oh, my. All tender inside. Oh, my goodness. Like a little bone right there. Let me pull that off. I'll just get this piece right here. Woo! I just love myself. This is savory. This is so good. It's tender. This will light up your turkey. Your whole turkey day, honey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Get you some drums, baby. Dr. Shell Soul Food Cooking. Now, which one you gonna try? Traditional, jerk, or oven fried? Now, I will be sending these out. If you're not on our mailing list, honey, get on the mailing list so you can get the blog and get the recipes. But put the comments down below, and I'll tell you what the secret is. Subscribe, share our posts. Also follow me on Facebook, honey, Instagram, and what? TikTok. Follow me on Pinterest as well.